Let's just hope for things to be good. Hey there angels, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing awesome and you guys are taking care of yourselves. Today's video is going to be on what I said it's going to be on. It's going to be on me removing my facial hair, and I've actually never ever removed my facial hair, so I am kind of very afraid of waxing on my face or actually doing a thread on my eyebrows, because I think it's really very painful. So I thought I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it with you guys.
Let's do this.
Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this video. If you do like it, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And now, without further ado, let's kick start with today's video. So we are going to need a wax heater for this, guys, and you have to pour adequate amount of wax in it, so it should be enough for you to do the entire face. And you're going to need a spatula as well, which you're going to use to apply the wax on your face. So I'm going to target my upper lip area first of all, because I feel it's more hairy than any other part on my face. So I'm going to just cover that part first. So it is a little painful, but okay, I can bear that. Also, it has a kind of tingling sensation when you remove the hair from any part of your face, and that is why it becomes even more painful. And yes, I'm going to target the other area of my face now. Well, I am seeing a lot of hair on the wax strip, and that is the only satisfactory thing, to see that okay, I am pulling out some hair. And yes, do not forget the T-zone area, guys, because I believe it actually kind of pulls some dirt out. I don't know how true is that, but I think it might pull out some dirt. It might work on your clogged pores. So I just didn't leave this area. I am somebody who also removes hair. Like I do remove hair from the area between my eyebrows. Some people do not, so it's your choice, but I don't feel any harm in that, so I'm going to do it. Guys, I am back and I have washed my face because it was too oily and sticky, and I've also applied some moisturizer on my face, because you really need to hydrate the area where you wax yourself. You just need to soothe it down, and that is why I applied my moisturizer. But even then, I've got a red spot over here, you could see, and I think it's gonna take some time to go away because the skin is a little irritated over there. Now we are going to do the last thing which was left, which is my eyebrows, and I'm thinking I should not do it, but I've said I'll do it, so I'll do it. And I'm going to first of all fill my eyebrows with my eyebrow powder, and this one is from the Balm Cosmetics. It's really nice, guys. Not want thin eyebrows. I like bushy, thick eyebrows, and I think this is just enough. Doing anything more than that would actually ruin them, and I just don't want to ruin them. So let's talk about my experience, guys. I would say it was 3 out of 5. I wouldn't say it was really bad. My skin feels really nice, although I have makeup on my face right now, but it really does feel smooth, and it's a nice experience. I'm just worried about the breakouts. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow morning, because I am expecting some breakouts because I've waxed for the first time. Obviously there is going to be something onto my face, so yeah, let's hope it's not too much, but for now it seems good. Also my eyebrows are pretty good. And just a note guys, if you are trying to do it at your home, just be very cautious with it. Do not go very deep and do not try to do anything. Just keep it minimal. I kept it minimal. I just removed the minimal hair, and I really did not work around things too much because this is my first time and I just didn't want to screw my eyebrows. That's it for today's video guys, and I'm gonna come up with more such videos. Hopefully you guys are going to like it. Please do like, comment and share this video if you enjoyed watching me today, and do not forget to subscribe my channel down below because I just want to see more of you guys. Okay, until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.